Hey everyone, Mike here with Tri-State Extreme. Today we're down here at Capital Combat Zone and we're going to do a little bit of a shot comparison between the Geo4 and the Geo R5. Alright, so we put stock barrels on everything. We're using Bunker King hoppers. One's the Control 2, one's the original Control. I do have the decibel reader. We can do a little test on that. We chrono them. They're both between 280 and 290. I mean, we'll show that to you quick. Just 280, helps if you turn the hopper on. 301, 280, 277, 284. 293, 300, maybe a little hot. 287, 291. We'll come down just a little bit. 282, 296, 290. All right, so we'll get a little bit of a decibel reading. So it was, the max on this was 94.5, 95. '92, '93, '93. So it is a little bit more quiet. All right, so we'll have the R5, Geo4. Both are in ramping. The R5 definitely has less of a kick, that's for sure. All right, so there you have it. Just a little shot comparison between the new Geo R5 and the Geo4. If you're looking for any gear, make sure you check out our website. The link's in the description. And as always, thanks for watching.